Hello everyone and welcome back to CLGTart, and today I'm gonna talk about the CMYK in Medibang Paint Pro because you guys asked about this one a lot, and I must say that I'm not a pro about this one. I just know a little bit about the CMYK and RGB, and all I know that the RGB is the color will appear on the screen, and CMYK is the color you should pick that one because the CMYK will have the color that closest to the real life color. And if you intend to printing, you should convert your image to CMYK to check if this one gonna be the right color or not. Okay, so how to active the CMYK in Medibang Paint Pro? So there is two ways for you guys to have the image in the CMYK later. So first one, I will go to this one. First, I will open this one and check to change it to CMYK slider, okay? And then I will go to view and choose color management setting. Now you will select the RGB profile. The RGB profile now will depend on the RGB profile, the result will look kind of different, and I will go with the step one that's going to be the display, and CMYK is just one option. And then the rendering intent, that normally I would just put it in the default here and click OK. After you click OK on the things here, nothing is changed, right? And the RGB still appeared here, not CMYK. The next step, you will go here, view again, and choose display with applying color profile. Now you see, actually it's kinda look a little bit different. And now you will check this one, CMYK subproof. You will see that the color here is changing a little bit, and the color will now kinda duller because the CMYK in real life, the color in real life will look not really brighter as the RGB color. So that's how you change it to the CMYK profile. This one is the first option, and I'm not really kind of confident with this one because I didn't finish an image in the Medibang Paint Pro after changing the CMYK profile like this before. Actually, the way that I did that, I still work in the RGB mode in Medibang Paint Pro, and then when I finish all the things on the picture, I will go to here, go to File, and export as CMYK PSD. Okay, so now I will have the CMYK name and save it. Okay, and open Photoshop here. This is one I just try to export before to check the color with a different RGB profile. So now I will check again with this one, and here is the image appear, and you can see that in the name here, the mode of the color is changing to CMYK in Photoshop. Okay, and you can check it in the mode, and here they are choosing CMYK. Okay, that's it. And remember why I tell you that you must finish your artwork before you convert it to PSD. That because after that your image now will merge together, they all combine to one layer, and it's just like a normal JPG picture. Yeah, kind of like that. So remember, you must have finish your picture. Later with this Photoshop, you will just work a little bit to changing the color to make it look perfect for what you imaging in your mind. So that's all I know about the CMYK in Medibang Paint Pro. So hope this one will help you guys a little bit when you want to export your image in CMYK. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.